Welcome back to my channel, This Plant Lifestyles. Today I'm going to prepare a tea from Prekese and then cinnamon bark. It has a very powerful benefits, and then I'm going to do the preparation. I'm going to treat a lot of illness, and then once you drink, it has a lot of powerful benefits. I've already explained the benefit of drinking it in my previous video, and I'm doing the preparation today. Okay, cinnamon sticks and then Prekese. They are very powerful for treating problems regarding to respiratory system, the digestive system, the circulatory system, the reproductive system, and then the general well-being of the body. So I'm going to make a tea. You see, I'm going to make a tea from this, then break it. So I'm going to make a tea. You need to get your silver, put them in. I'm going to wash it. After you prepare your tea, the tea is both physically or it's healthy. You can use it, has a health benefit and also a spiritual. You can use this spiritually. Yes, so you pour water in it, and then I'm going to light my cylinder, the gas cylinder. Okay, so my gas cylinder, and then put it on it. Yes, so once I put it on it, I'll wait for it to finish boiling. I'm going to cover it. So I'll cover it and then wait for it to boil. Once it boils, we are going to take the decoction, and the decoction is very powerful, and then it can be used for a lot of treatment. That is, I've already made the benefit of it in a previous video. It's very powerful in treating stomach problems. It works in your that is your pancreas to eliminate any defects that will make your sugar level stable. The pancreas will be able to produce correct insulin, and your liver will be functioning very well, taking care of the liver, the things that are defective in your body. You will be strong naturally, and then your body will be resistant to some kind of sickness like cold, fluid, and then all those kind of things. So let's wait for the end product of our let's wait for the final decoction. Once the final decoction is ready, I will show you how to take it, and then we'll be drinking it. Okay, so once your decoction gets ready, you bring it down. Once your decoction gets ready, you bring it down. So once your decoction gets ready, you bring it down. So you see the color of the water changes, and then as you can see, so this is a powerful, it is having a good smell. It's a powerful tool or a powerful decoction. So you can see, you can pour it in your cup and then keep it in the refrigerator. But I will advise you, when you are preparing it plenty, what you do is you leave it for 24 hours for the decoction to soak well, for this thing to soak well in the, that is, as you can see, the color has changed, but by the next 24 hours it will give more deep color for the nutrient in the Prekese and then the cinnamon stick will be absorbed into the water, and the decoction will be very deep, telling you that the maximum nutrient that needs to be absorbed has been absorbed. Yes, subscribe to the channel, keep watching Plant Lifestyles. This decoction is very good for lowering your blood pressure, those suffering from hepatitis B. It also manage and control it, and also those with high blood pressure. If you want to reduce it, just get this decoction and start drinking. Yes, people with swollen feet, in fact, you sit down and then your feet will be swollen. Get this decoction and start taking, and you'll be fine. If you want to lose weight, you have a lot of fat in your belly, you can just start drinking it. It is very hot, like I've taken my shot already, but it is very hot. So once you finish your decoction, you are going to keep it for it to cool. So you wait for the next day. By the next day you wake up. This one is for the video purpose, that's why I didn't add a lot of Prekese and then the cinnamon sticks. If you are doing for yourself, you can add a lot of Prekese and then you can add a lot of cinnamon sticks, and that will help you take it for week or 5 days, and you'll be fine. You see that when you visit the hospital to check your sugar level, in fact those with sugar level, this should be your tea. Early in the morning you take half a cup, in the evening you take half a cup. It is going to manage your sugar level, it is going to manage your weight, it is going to manage the fat in your system, which is causing blockage in your veins, that is making your blood pump with high pressure. That will make you lose a lot of weight, and then lose fat in your body, and opening ways in your veins to reduce your blood pressure. It will pave ways to reduce your blood pressure. See your blood vessels as a gutter. Then when there's a choke in a gutter, you see that the water moves with pressure, and then it can bypass the gutter, and then some of the water will be passing elsewhere instead of passing through the gutter. That is how the blood also works. So once the vein is being blocked, the blood is forced because of some kind of fat in the body or tumor in the system. So you see the veins, instead of the veins to be pumping blood correctly, see the veins, instead of the veins to be working effectively, the veins will be blocked by a lot of fat. And see, as the vein is very straight, strong, pumping blood like that, you see the veins will be there will be a blockage in the veins, and you see that your veins will be your hand will start to feel pains in your hand, like you see mazipu start to attack your hands and your feet and all those kind of things. So if you want your blood to pump correctly, to pump very well, and your veins, and then everything should go on, the blood should be moving up and down nicely without blockage. And then once there is blockage, the pressure in the blood is very strong. Yes, once there is blockage, so make sure you treat yourself with herbs, because this has no if it is almost negligible, because it is food. Side effect, Prekese is food and cinnamon is food itself. You can drink it as a tea and then you'll be okay. You can take it without food. Mostly I take it without food, because and once you take it without food, it is not going to give you any problem in your stomach, because it is food. There's nutrients in the Prekese. It's like you are drinking your normal tea. Yes, it's food. Is going to heal you, also make you satisfied. Sometimes I even pour it in a cup and then add honey and then take it with bread, and then I'll take it as a tea in the morning, and you see yourself to be strong. Your belly will be natural, like the fat will be reduced and you'll be okay. So if you are watching me, subscribe to the channel, like my videos, and then share my videos, because if subscribe, I know I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.